Are you searching for best hardwood floor cleaning machine in 2023? Hey guys, I am Ratul Khan. Today I am going to reviews top 5 best hardwood floor cleaning machine on the market. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Number 1. Bissell Hardwood Floor Cleaner. Model name: Bissell PowerFresh Steam Mop, Floor Steamer, Tile Cleaner, and Hardwood Floor Cleaner. 1940. The Bissell PowerFresh Steam Mop provides superior steam cleaning with a fresh scent. For those tough, dried-on messes we all experience on our floors and on grout, use the flip-down Easy Scrubber brush to break up the dirt quickly and easily. Cleaning with steam sanitizes floors, eliminating 99.9% of germs and bacteria in common households. Choose from high, medium, or low steam based on your cleaning needs with the Smart Set digital steam control. Features swivel steering and a 23-foot power cord. Ready to use in 30 seconds, includes microfiber soft pad, microfiber scrubby pad, spring breeze fragrance discs, and a carpet glider. Power rating: 1500 watts. Power source: corded. Removable water tank you can easily fill at the sink. Special feature: steam control, 2 years warranty. Number 2. PurSteam Hardwood Floor Cleaner. Model name: ThermaPro 211. Despite being one of the cheaper options out there, PurSteam and its cleaning machines are extremely popular because they're great for those who are on a budget but still want something functional. Cleans literally everything. Nobody likes cleaning. But with the help of our 10-in-1 steam mop you can clean the whole house more quickly and easily, making it cleaner and fresher than ever. Clean a lot more than floors with the built-in handheld steam cleaner. Or use the flexible hose to put the cleaning power of steam in the palm of your hand. Works great as floor steam mop, carpet cleaner, steam cleaner, handheld garment steamer, window, mirror glass cleaner, much more. 3 adjustable modes help you cater the mop's steam level to your specific needs. The steam cleaner's 380 ml reservoir provides around 25 minutes of steam at the lowest setting and about 12 minutes of steam at the maximum steam setting. Special feature: child pet safe. Detachable handheld unit, 10-in-1 with handheld steam cleaner, rapid heat up, extra long power cord. Number 3. Tineco Hardwood Floor Cleaner. Tineco is a relatively premium and high-end brand of cleaning machines that can be considered if you are looking for a high-performance cleaning machine for your home or office. This Tineco Floor 1S3 Hardwood Floor Cleaning Machine is a high-performance vacuum option. Since it is a wet-dry vacuum, it works perfectly on hardwood floors as well. Being a high-end and a premium wet-dry vacuum, it happens to be a cordless one, which is to be expected. 5-in-1 self-cleaning system keeps your hands clean, your system fresh, and your home odor-free. Special features: cordless convenience, easy to maneuver, lightweight body, easy to carry up and down stairs, vacuum wash at the same time on sealed hard floors, 2-tank technology, all-time clean water cleaning, strong suction power, ultra-quiet operation, up to 35 minutes long runtime, self-cleaning cycle, flushes out dirt, hair and debris after each use, 2-year warranty. Number 4. Bissell Hardwood Floor Cleaner. Model name: PowerFresh Deluxe. Special feature: 3-in-1 with handheld steam cleaner, 2 years warranty. Bissell proudly supports Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. Choose between high or low steam settings based on your cleaning needed. Heater warm-up time: 30 seconds. Cleaning path width: 12 inches. Easily fill the water tank with the included measuring cup. Leave behind a refreshing spring breeze scent as you clean. Power rating: 12 ampere, power cord length: 25 feet. Power source: corded, automatic cord. Number 5. Oreck Commercial Hardwood Floor Cleaner. Oreck Commercial ORB 550 MC Orbiter Hard Floor Cleaner Machine brings your bare floors and carpets back to life. Conventional floor scrubbers can be difficult to use. The Oreck Commercial Orbiter works differently. The brush head rotates in a random orbit for easy-to-use fingertip control. With several different cleaning pads available for purchase along with superior cleaning supplies, it's versatile enough to tackle virtually any job on any floor surface and gives you amazing, professional-looking results every time. The wide 13-inch cleaning path makes tough chores a breeze. sand, refinish, strip, scrub, wax, and polish all floor surfaces, as well as deep clean your carpets. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and stay with us.